Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial. Hey everyone, in today's Brits Builder tutorial, we will be going over how to create a simple mobile menu with an X icon where mobile users click on it to get out of the menu. Okay, so let's get started. So by default, when you're creating a menu in Bricks Builder, it will already have the X icon on the mobile version by default. So really, this tutorial is basically going over how to create a simple but good-looking mobile menu in Bricks Builder. Okay, and we'll show you quickly how to do that using um, the grid layout structure. So let's open up a new page. And here we'll just be doing a simple header. So on one side we'll have the logo, and on the other side we will have the menu, right? On the mobile version of the site. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a container, and then we're going to add two blocks inside it. One block is going to hold the logo, and the other side is going to hold the navigation menu, like I said earlier. So you click on the container, and in the display option, you choose grid. Then in the grid couplet columns, you put 1FR space 1FR. So what that does is it divides the columns into two equal columns. The grid layout stretch is just a simple and quick way to make your layout mobile responsive. And it's just a quick way to divide two columns into even columns, right? So now that I have two blocks, I'm going to put the logo element inside one block and the nav menu element in the other block. And so now you've just designed a menu however you want. And you see here when we're previewing it, that the X icon is right there by default. Hey, we've got a quick favor ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel in these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you. In your mobile menu. So yeah, and then obviously you could choose to have a menu on the left side or the right side. Okay, and we also have actually more advanced menu creation tutorials for Bricks Builder. And we'll link it somewhere in this video or in the description box below. So be sure to check that out. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or comments, please leave it in the comment section below. And also, please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you appreciate this video. And remember to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified of a new Bricks Builder tutorials. Okay, thank you for listening. Bye.